AI is already replacing Google, writing best-selling books, and even creating video games without human help, and the AI that started it all is ChatGPT. But here's something a lot of people don't know. ChatGPT wasn't just built overnight. It comes from OpenAI, a company that started back in 2015, co-founded by some of the biggest names to make AI so advanced that it benefits all of humanity. But here's the twist. Elon Musk actually left OpenAI in 2018, and now he's competing with it by launching his own AI model, Grok 3. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot made by OpenAI that can talk to you like a real person.
Hey ChatGPT, I want to apologize to my grandma for being really late.
Oh, that's sweet of you to think about apologizing. How about something like, Grandma, I'm really sorry for being so late. I didn't mean to keep you waiting. Can I make it up to you?
She only speaks Mandarin.
Got it. You could say, 奶奶，对不起，我迟到了。我不是故意让您等这么久的。我可以怎么补偿您呢? This shows
But
your
it's
apology
way more
and
than
willingness
just a
to make it up to
chatbot.
her.
This thing can write essays, code apps, brainstorm business
You're welcome.
ideas,
I hope
help
it
you
goes well with
study.
Grandma.
Honestly, it's like having a super smart assistant in your pocket 24/7. It works by using something called a large language model, which is trained on a massive amount of text from the internet. That's how it knows so much about almost everything. And the best part, it doesn't just repeat information. It understands context, remembers conversations, and can generate completely new ideas. Cool projects people have built with ChatGPT. All right, let's talk real-world stuff. People have been using ChatGPT for insane projects. Some guy trained it to act like a personal finance coach, breaking down investments like a pro. Another person built an AI-powered lawyer. Yes, a chatbot that actually helps fight parking tickets. And get this, someone even used it to write and publish an entire book on Amazon in just a few days. But it gets crazier. Developers are using it to write and debug code, create entire video games, and even build chatbots that run entire businesses. And for content creators, it's generating full YouTube scripts, creating social media posts, and even making AI-generated voices that sound shockingly real. It's like having an instant expert in your pocket that can help you with literally any creative or technical project. How advanced is ChatGPT right now? Okay, but how good is ChatGPT really? Right now, the latest version, GPT-4 Turbo, is miles ahead of older AI models. It understands complex instructions, keeps track of conversations better, and even pulls live data from the internet, depending on the version you're using. Here's where it gets wild. It can now analyze images, generate AI voices, and even assist in programming entire websites and apps from scratch. People have tested it against GPT-4 and Google's Gemini, and in a lot of cases, it's just as good, if not better. And OpenAI is already working on the next version, GPT-5, which could be even faster, smarter, and more human-like. How to access ChatGPT. All right, so how do you actually use this thing? It's super easy. Just go to chat.openai.com, sign up for a free account, and you're in. And if you're on the go, OpenAI has an official ChatGPT app for both iOS and Android. No sketchy third-party apps needed. For those of you who use the text messaging app, WhatsApp, you can integrate ChatGPT and have a texting version of this AI. Just scan the QR code here, and it will show up on your phone. Try it. So, where's all this heading? Well, OpenAI is already working on GPT-5, which could be smarter, faster, and more human-like than anything before. But here's where it gets really interesting. AI like ChatGPT could soon become your personal assistant in everything you do. Think about it. It could schedule your meetings, write your emails, analyze your data, and even help with your workouts and diet plans. Some companies are even testing AI-driven customer support agents, AI therapists, and even AI teachers that could completely change how we learn and work. And let's talk voice assistants. We could soon see ChatGPT powering Siri, Alexa, or even Tesla's AI systems. Imagine your car having a full conversation with you, giving you real-time traffic updates, restaurant recommendations, or even cracking jokes while you drive. And for developers, we're talking about AI that could write, test, and deploy apps on its own without human intervention. That's the level of automation we're heading toward. Honestly, in a few years, ChatGPT won't just be something you use. It could be fully integrated into your daily life, like a second brain that's always running in the background. ChatGPT is getting more powerful by the day, and we're only scratching the surface of what AI can do. But here's where it gets even crazier. Some AI models are already building full VR games with zero human help. If you want to see what that looks like, check out my next video here.